Hi, today I'll be doing another showcase of the ElectroNeek RPA platform, where RPA stands for Robotic Process Automation. This one is focused on ETL automation using Excel. Let's run through what to expect. For those unfamiliar, ETL stands for Extract, Transform, and Load. In this case, we have a bot that will be reading a specified Excel file, extracting the lines that satisfy a parameter we set, making a note of the changes in the original file, and then uploading the new appended file to the website for distribution. Let's jump right in. First thing I'll do is show you what we're working with firsthand. This bot will be taking data from an Excel file called Our Buyers, which I can open up right now. It contains a list of customers from a newly online vendor, as well as their offline and online status. For now, just note how the send column is empty before we run the bot. I'll just close out of these two windows for now, and let's take a look at the bot itself. The main bot contains two subprograms, Read Excel and Auto Load. Let's take a look at the first one. You can see that it's all built using our pre-programmed click and drag boxes, and that it's not too long. This is the part that is responsible for reading and annotating the Excel file based on the conditions that we set forth as parameters. Now I'll just open up the second bot, called Auto Load. This is the one that's responsible for actually logging into the website we want in order to upload the list for distribution. I'll scroll through it too, and you can see that it's a bit longer, and that's because it needs a lot of clicks to get where it wants. You'll be able to see how it works when we do that. Now that we've covered the background, let's close out of this and open up the main ElectroNeek bot. This bot will be using two subprograms that are each going to be invoked as the separate constituent parts of the things that I just showed you. This is done for simplicity and to make it neater. Let's run the actual bot. I'll hit the play button in the top left over here, and the bot will minimize as it runs in the background. I'll try to point out each step as we go. I've added some program delays to make it easier to follow. The bot is capable of reading and annotating the Excel file in the background. As far as some behind the scenes, the file basically contains a list of customers from a vendor who recently went online. Some of the customers have went on and made accounts to the vendor site, while others have not. Those which haven't are marked offline and are consequently selected by the program. Now it goes in to the auto load step. Here it will use the credentials we have given it to log into the website. All the login information is stored separately and can be used to access that site automatically. Let's give it a second to load the next page. Afterwards, it will use its ability to mimic clicks and keystrokes to hit the browse button and to select the appropriate file from the computer. Here it will again use the ability to mimic keystrokes. Let's just give it a second to actually upload that file, and we should see the results popping up soon. Now all that's left is to hit the save and finish button. After hitting that button, it should be able to navigate to the new buyers list. This buyers list contains only those that are still marked offline, and their emails are marked out for possible outreach later. This sort of outreach could be something like emailing them to prompt them to create an account on the new vendor site. Once the bot is done, it will reopen the main interface automatically. Now let's just minimize out of the program real quick and take a look at what changed. First, you'll see the Send Mail Excel document, which has a list of those buyers who were actually sent emails via the program. Next, if we open up the Our Buyers Excel document that we originally had, you'll see that it's changed a bit. The send column now has pluses marked to those buyers who were sent emails. This is done just to mark them out to make sure that the spreadsheet is updated with all the accurate information. Even with the delays embedded into the program, this whole process took very little time. By leveraging RPA, ElectroNeek was able to directly mimic what normally only a human could do: to read, recognize, and edit Excel document, and then to browse the internet and upload the document to the required site. And it could do so automatically and repeatably. While this case study used only a small total customer list, this sort of framework is compatible with large data sets as well. Everything could be made automatic. On principle, ElectroNeek works by directly mimicking the human action on a computer. The bot used here uses a simple two-step subprogram to do basic ETL. However, the possibilities are without limit. Using ElectroNeek's pre-programmed blocks, you have the ability to design and execute a near infinite level of combinations in order to tailor a bot that works for your business. Any repeatable process you may have can be done automatically with RPA, and we're excited to offer that to you. To schedule a product demo or to become a partner, email us at sales@electroneek.com or partners@electroneek.com. We also have a community forums at the URL on the screen. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to stay in the loop for future videos.